Welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we are going to be taking a look at an unboxing and review of the Vacuum Sealer AP13 Double Pump. Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Alright guys, I'm pretty excited. This actually came in a very nice box, and although it's obviously been dropped by shipping, it doesn't seem to have affected any of the packaging. Let's go ahead and open this up. Nice. They've got some bubbles in here, so we don't have to worry about the package bouncing around so much. We've got a little receipt here. Nice. Tells us everything that's included. And this beautiful retail box. Look, no damage at all. Great looking box. I'm telling you, it looks professional. I'm happy so far. Vacuum Sealer AP13. No scratches on the bottom, scratches on the side. Here we are, looking good. Here's a look at the specifications of this model. It uses 145 watts. Will take a voltage of 100 to 240 volts. The size is about 380 by 90 by 185 millimeters, and it comes in at a weight of 1 kg. All in all, this unit is truly light, small form factor, yet very powerful. This is the hose for the external pump. The Vacuum Seal AP13 comes with a great big stack of bags, so you don't have to buy some. It has a removable cable. It comes with an instruction manual, very easy to follow. And of course, the unit itself. Now the great thing about this unit is that it actually comes apart into two separate pieces, the bottom of which can be submerged in water and washed. Do not wash the top portion, but the bottom portion can be washed. Another great thing about this vacuum sealer machine is that it features 5 modes: seal, vac, wet vac, seal, dry, vac, and seal external vac. According to the type of food that you use, you can choose the appropriate preservation method to extend the shelf life of your food. Okay, let's find out what this machine's going to do to this bag filled with rice. Now you're going to notice the bag has two sides, one that's opaque and one that is clear. You want to make sure that the opaque side is the one that's up, as that's where the heat is going to seal, and then it'll seal to the clear side. I'm not sure what happens if you flip it over, but the instructions are pretty clear. Make sure the opaque side is up. Ooh. Sounds like a massage chair. It's working really good though. Oh my. Oh, this is so cool. Check this out. It's sucking all the air out from this bag. Nice. Just open this up. Let's take a look. Whoa. Look at that. Signed, sealed, and delivered. This bad boy is tight. Now, let's see what it's going to do to these almonds. I've got this big bag of almonds. Again, you can see there's two sides to the bag. The opaque side is up. We put our little lip into this opening here. Seal down on both sides completely. And we're going to go ahead and push our button. Oh my, look how great this thing works. I'm telling you folks, it sucks the air out of the bag and seals it up tight. These are going to be remaining fresh for a long time. But let's see what happens when we take this pork shoulder and stick it in here. Is it going to suck all the juices out into the machine? I don't know. Let's find out. Opaque side up into the little space. Both sides clamped down, and we're going to push the wet side this time. Oh, I swear I feel like just amazing, folks. Amazing. Look at that. Sealed in there fresh. You can throw it in the freezer for a year, I bet. Unbelievable. Well, I'm going to tell you something. I've reviewed quite a few products, and it's not too often that I get to say some positive things. This vacuum sealer works.